Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sitendra Punia. I am your anchor, I am your host, and I'm sure you are loving my content because I really don't think so. Any content creator, I know there are thousands of content creators who are making content each and every day and just do it properly, but I really don't think so. Any of you can comparison me because I make a content in full of English. Okay, I don't in a some word pick up in Hindi then translate. I know it's you will understand very quickly and you will, I mean, you will understand as much as soon, but I'm telling you, you have to practice daily at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I mean, just watch my content and just practice yourself, then it can, you I mean, it is the way that you can be fluent in English. Otherwise I really don't think so. You are just watching a content and just think that someday you're gonna speak English and some kind of miracle. No, only that miracle happens only which man created. Okay, in life, I mean, this is the life pattern and this is the life, uh, only that miracle will happen that will man create. Okay, otherwise it all just a bullshit thing. You know what, there are a lot of taboo right now that we are fighting in India. I mean, first of all, that you have to marry. I mean, kids who are 15 and 20s. I really don't know that you just able to understand this kind of thing, but I have a knowledge. I have a proper knowledge, so I can teach you in a proper way that there are a lot of taboo in right now India that you have to marry, otherwise you won't be fulfilled. Secondly, that yeah, the black cat, if you cross the way, then you really should stop it, because there is some kind of black magic, and there is some kind of black thing will happen. Again, more and taboo. If you are a woman, then you just should born the child. Otherwise you are not a woman. And oh, there are a lot of things. Yeah, the responsibility is when you have a child and a family. Oh, this is the definition of responsibility. I mean, what is the responsibility? Responsibility means you have a wife, you have a children, and you have a burden of parents and your whole family. This is the definition of responsibility. I know you are thinking that these all are things weird, but no, 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 no. Look, believe only that thing which you really know it. Okay, are you really understand what I'm saying? I'm just saying, believe only that thing which you know it in your own experience. Otherwise, don't don't believe anything which society are giving you. Look, if there are 1,000, look, have you ever seen ship? Have you ever seen ship? Thousands of ship and will walk on one way. Why? Because it's their fate, it's their mindset. Okay, that's why all the sheep just walk on a one way. If there is one sheep is cross that cross that spectre, then all will stare at that what he is doing. So I am just telling you, know only that thing, believe only that thing. If you just trap in that all the taboo, your life gonna become hell. You know what? What is hell? This is the also a taboo that someday you will die and then you will in a heaven or hell. Don't trap it. Don't trap it. I have seen people who live 90 years, 18 years, full of regret, full of disease, full of regret. Okay, So that's why I'm telling you these that all the thing, whatever you believe only that thing which you really, I mean, you have a experience. No, I know it, so now I will adopt it. But if you don't know and you just thinking that this society are giving you, I mean, after that you will go on heaven or heaven. Have you gone it, heaven or hell? Have you ever gone it? Have you ever seen it? Where is the heaven? Where is the hell? Have you ever seen it? Even your daddy see it. Even your grandparents, anyone see it, heaven or hell? So that's why I'm telling you. And secondly, you have a if you have a mind, have a body. That's why I'm telling you why body need it. You know, this is the body. Why body need it? Because first of all, if you really want to live in heaven or hell, just choose it, because there is this is what I'm talking about in a earth, in a planet. This is the heaven, this is the earth. Now make it. It's your choice. Make it what you are making it. Okay. So, and why body needed? Because you have a look, there are 17 and 80% people in India, rural India. Okay, I really don't think so anyone blame it that they have not enough food. Look, these all the people who are poor people and who are under below poverty line, look, never ever think that, oh, these people are poor people, we should help it, we should give them money, we should give. No. Don't ever think so. Don't ever think so. They are poor because of their mindset. Okay, again I'm telling you, listen to very carefully. If you are looking some poor people, they are poor just because of their mindset, just because the karma they choose, that's why they are poor. And if you are really think you just give them 10 rupees, 15 rupees and 20 rupees, and then you think now they're gonna eat well. No, they're gonna eat Vimal Gutka Pan Masala. They're gonna eat, they will eat all the trash thing. They will eat all the trash thing. So that's why I'm not thinking, just give them food. Just give them food. Enough. If you can do it, just give them only food. Otherwise, don't think they are poor, oh, they don't have money. No. They decided to be poor. After born, they are now 60s, 70s, 50s. They are passionate about poor. They love to be poor. They love to assume that, pretend to world, oh, we are poor people, we are hungry people, we don't have food. Gods are so humiliating us. Oh. This is the trap. And I know if you just follow my channel, if you are like my channel, you're gonna solve your 70s of problem. So that's why I know 15 and 20 student can understand these all are gadgets thing. I know you can you know very well that how to start phone, how to use laptop, how to use all the, but read this human psychology, which only I can give you. Okay, so yes, Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please, thank you very much. And please write in the comment section so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.